Hi everyone, so I'm Jet. Welcome to this live stream here. We should be live right about now, hopefully. We should be. Okay, yeah, we're live. All right. Okay, so yeah, so I'm going to talk about tropical storm Hone here, approaching Hawaii with potential flooding, rains, and strong winds. It says here at a glance, tropical storm Hone will track just south of Hawaii this weekend. Parts of Hawaii will experience heavy rain and strong winds, and a tropical storm warning has been issued for the Big Island. Tropical storm Hone is expected to wrap bands of heavy rain and gusty winds into Hawaii this weekend, especially on Big Island, or on the Big Island. Here's the latest status on Hone and where it's headed next. The storm is currently located southeast of Hawaii and is expected to continue strengthening through the weekend, possibly into a hurricane. Hone's latest forecast path shows that the center of the storm will most likely track south of Hawaii. However, its impacts will spread north of where it tracks into parts of the island chain. Tropical storm conditions are expected to persist on the Big Island from late Saturday into Sunday. The strongest gusts will be where the winds blow downslope over headlands, downslope over headlands and through passes, the National Hurricane Center says. In addition to the gusty winds, somewhat drier, warmer air on the leeward sides of each island may be enough to spread fires quickly through the weekend. Drought conditions persist through Hawaii. Tropical storm Hone, as of 2 p.m. HT, current information, 65 miles per hour, moving west at 15 miles per hour. So yeah, that'd be 2 p.m. Hawaii time, 8 p.m. Eastern time. And yeah, it's showing here, this is where it will be Sunday, AM 70 miles per hour. So, it's not going to be hitting Hawaii. I have a radar up here from Zoom Earth, and, all my sources I use here, this article from War.com, as well as the Zoom Earth here, will all be in the description below if you want to go check it out for yourself. So, yeah, this is Hone right here. So, and this is the past few hours, or past several hours of Hone. So, it's not going to make landfall on Hawaii. Well, it does hit Hawaii. Well, from what's showing here, it looks like it'll be a tropical storm, but, But, still 70 miles per hour winds is definitely on the higher side of tropical storm coming close to, Category 1 hurricane. But either way, it's not going to hit Hawaii head on, but there's still going to be tons of impacts to Hawaii because Hone's still going to be really close, because the outer bands of the storm are still going to be hitting Hawaii. And again, we have the tropical storm warning on the Big Island. And here's what impacts to expect in Hawaii. Heavy rain and strong winds will swivel across the Big Island Sunday, then possibly lingering into Monday. A flood watch is in effect for the Big Island as well as the tropical storm warning like we talked about before. The rain will be heaviest on windward and southeast facing slopes and could amount to 5 to 10 inches, with maximum totals up to 20 inches on the higher peaks of the Big Island. Flooding is possible where rainfall becomes excessive. At least a few bands of locally heavy rain could spread through the rest of the Hawaiian Islands beginning Sunday. All of the Hawaiian Islands will see swells generated by Hone through at least Sunday. Life-threatening rip currents will be a danger to beachgoers. So yeah, you're seeing on the Big Island here, some portions will get like 12 to 18 inches of rain here. And I'm seeing a lot of red here, a lot of orange. 5 to 8, 8 to 12 in the red. 3 to 5, even like 2 to 3, even like, again, like more 5 to 8, 3 to 5, 2 to 3. So a lot of rain here. Really, really heavy rain. Locals should also keep a close eye on Hurricane Gilma, which is right here. It looks like, Hurricane Gilma right now is a Category 3 hurricane. It's right in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. They definitely should keep, but definitely, if you're on Hawaii, you definitely should be keeping an eye on Gilma as well. It looks like by Thursday it will become a remnant, and at that point, hopefully it won't hit Hawaii. Hopefully at that point, it should be over, and hopefully it won't hit anything. But it still definitely should keep an eye on it. And we do also have Invest 92E back here as well behind Gilma and Hone here. So it looks like this one will die down. Or, well, actually, no, it won't. This is just like what they're showing, because, like, yeah. But yeah, it looks like 92E, again, it's right behind Gilma and Hone. And it looks like it might possibly, definitely has the possibility of developing into something as well. 80% in 2 days and 90% in 7 days. So definitely, if you're in Hawaii, you definitely want to be keeping an eye on Gilma and Invest 92E as well. And of course, Hone. So yeah, locals should also keep a close eye on Hurricane Gilma, which could bring more rain and strong winds to Hawaii later next week. At that point, it won't be, anything. It will mainly just be remnants, but still want to keep an eye on it. Hawaii's hurricane history, on average, 4 to 5 tropical cyclones occur in the central Pacific Ocean basin between 140 and 180 degrees west longitude each year, according to Dr. Rick Knabb, hurricane expert at the Weather Channel and past director of the National Hurricane Center. About 2/3 of those systems drift west from the eastern Pacific basin. From 1950 through 2021, about 30 hurricanes have passed within 200 nautical miles of the Big Island, Maui, Honolulu, or Kauai, according to NOAA's historical hurricane database. And if I also pronounce anything incorrectly here, please do correct me as well. But virtually every system approaching Hawaii from the east since 1950, tracking at least as far north as the latitude of the Big Island of Hawaii, weakened to be a tropical storm or depression by the time it reached the islands. There are several reasons why this happens so often. Drier, more stable air from the subtropical high to the northeast of Hawaii eventually inhibits thunderstorms from persisting and remaining clustered near the cyclone center. Wind shear, the change in the wind speed and or direction with height is typically stronger near the Hawaiian Islands, acting to displace thunderstorms from the cyclone center. Cooler sea surface temperatures in the Pacific waters to the east of the Big Island of Hawaii keep the air somewhat cooler above it, increasing the stability of the atmosphere, making it less susceptible to forming and maintaining thunderstorms. So, again, this article will be linked in the description below, as well as the Zoom Earth right here as well. Zoom Earth radar will also be linked in the description as well. I will replay this one last time. So yeah, it's Hone, Gilma, and Invest 92E, which has possibility of development later throughout the week, next week, within the next few days, because again, has possibility of development 80% 2 days from now, and then 90% 7 days, within 7 days. So definitely stay safe out there, everyone. Hope that all of you enjoyed this live stream. And I will see all of you next time. Bye, everyone.